friendly here. Okay, I think that's our cue to go to weather. We are looking at sunshine ourselves here. DBU, temperature of 75 degrees. Winds are out of the southeast at about 5 to 10. Those light southeast winds responsible for bringing us the slightly warmer weather today. We are going to warm each day after today until we eventually reach the 90s. This happens later this week as that breezy south wind really kicks up. Slim rain chances are in place for this weekend. Then we are talking about an unsettled weather pattern as we head into early parts of next week. Right now, though, we're at 75 degrees. Winds are out of the southeast. You can see a few fair weather clouds out there. Blue sky overhead. Our pollen count still looking high for grasses and oak. Tree pollen still considered at a moderate count. Temperatures today eventually make it into the low 80s. We'll be at 82 degrees by 2, 83 degrees around 4. This evening into the low 80s, upper 70s. So overall, a warm May day, but our temperatures are actually really close to what's considered normal this time of the year. 82 for the high in Denton, 83 in McKinney and in Dallas, 84 in Fort Worth. Normal this time of the year is 82. We are going to see that temperature climb, though. Our winds are going to be a little breezier on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and that's going to cue our temperature to climb to 89 on Wednesday, 90 Thursday, 91 on Friday. Something else that's also happening is that we have a really strong heat dome across the southwest. So think California, Arizona. That's going to strengthen a bit and expand. So we get on the outer edge of that, and that also will help our temperatures climb. We stay on the warm side over the weekend, about 5 to 6 degrees warmer than normal, right around 90 degrees. But something else that's going on this weekend is our potential for rain going up ever so slightly to about a 10% coverage. Slightly better opportunity for rain Sunday evening, but more so on Monday as our next front moves in. So let me show you why over the weekend. This is Saturday around 5 in the afternoon. Most of the day rain-free. We may just see some added clouds overhead. We'll be watching this, what's called a dry line. That's where dry air is out in the west, humid air on the east. Where those two meet is where we see thunderstorms develop in the springtime. This is more so going to happen in Oklahoma, but if these develop, we could see a few linger into our northwestern counties. Now on Sunday, what's going to happen, same situation. This is going to move a little closer to us. We'll see some activity develop, and if these hold together, we could very well see them make it into our western counties sometime very late Sunday into early Monday, so Sunday night. We'll eventually see those dry out, but then look, a front moves in, and this is what's really going to bring us the potential for rain come Monday during the afternoon hours. At the moment, it looks like we could see some slightly heavier rain in some spots. This is going to linger through Monday afternoon, Monday evening. At the moment, we are monitoring the potential for an isolated strong storm. And again, that's Monday. That's just normal this time of the year because it's springtime. We could very well see a strong storm popping up. And that really does kind of puts us in an unsettled pattern next week as well. So this week, very calm with temperatures climbing. This weekend, slim opportunity for rain. Early next week is when we're looking at the potential for rain, especially early in the week. Rain chances kind of dwindle down, but do continue into Memorial Day weekend. So be sure to keep checking back in with us because right now it looks like we could see some isolated activity over that weekend, which is, pretty normal for this time of the year. Matt, I'm going to send it over to you. You have our new friend in studio, my favorite segment.